Hi guys, it's Candace here with Cemine Bespoke Designs, and welcome to an unboxing live. I have no clue what you can see. If you can see, I'm trying out this new device that I got. Hopefully you can see. Let me see if I can pull up my laptop here. Video, and I'm hoping that you can see whatever I put down here on the mat here. Okay, so I don't know what's going on, but it's not exactly doing what I want it to do. My phone is a bit too heavy for it, but I'm hoping that it'll stay in focus. Okay, great. So today we are so excited. We just got a package from Etsy, and we have some new items that we want to show you, and I haven't opened it yet. Obviously, WebSource, who delivered it to me, has opened it just to check its contents, but I haven't opened it, and I'm so excited to open it with you. How are you guys doing today? Let me know. Now, let's see. I can't really see very well. I'm going to try to put my live video on here. Oh, you know what, guys? I forgot to share this. Let me share this to my page and just make sure everyone who would want to see this can see it. So I'm going to share it to my timeline. Be sure to share to your timeline and let everyone join in the party. Right, so I got my scissors because I want to be able to open the bag. And let's see. Okay, I shared it to my timeline, and let's see here. Just make sure that we get any sort of comments that are coming in. I will be able to see them. Okay, so if you are joining us live, I would love for you to let me know who you are, where you're from. But okay, let me just oh, now you're hearing the echo back, aren't you? Let me just mute this video so you're not hearing that. I know we've got a little bit of classical music as usual going on in the background. Now I just want to make sure that it's in focus. I think it is. Alright, it's telling me that 4 people are there. Whoever you are, let me know who you are. Let's do this. Let's not waste any more time. Let's do this. Alright. So I've got these scissors here. Now I can't see my screen, so just leave me a message. Let me know if I go off screen or whatever. Let's just get rid of this. Alright. Let's see what we've got here. Alright, we've got a nice package here. Oh, I'm so excited. Alright, let's get rid of these, the bubble wrap and everything. So you guys don't need to see that. Oh, they sealed it. Awesome. That means no one can go into it. Okay. Alright, let's open this up. Okay. And let's see what we got here. Alright. Oh, this is so exciting. Guys, you know what this is? Guys, you know what this is? This is red. Some new, oh, awesome. I'm loving this. We got some new red tiger eye. I don't know if you can see it, the quality of it. It's pretty nice. Let me put the lamp down onto it a bit more so you can see this. Now, this is going to be so great. We actually bought this to make a particular necklace for a gentleman. We won't call any names, but I'm excited about this. He's going to be getting that very soon from us. But we're going to have a little bit extra left over, so yeah, well, actually, I'm not sure if we will, but we do have some others left over. Now, this compared with, let's see, we had this other strand before. It's pretty much the same color, so excited about that. It's grade A quality. Yay! So we got that. Let's see what else we've got here. Ooh! Can you see this? Oh, it's out of spring. Okay, let's see what else we got. We also got some... Isn't this lush? Guys, look at this. Can you see the quality of this? I'm hoping that it's in focus. Guys, can you see the quality of this violet, purple, blue, whatever you want to call it, colored tiger eye? Look at this rich, lush color. This is amazing. Yay! This is awesome. Okay, I'm so excited to use this and make this for our special customer. I won't call any names at the moment. Yep, And then, guys, I'm so excited. Stop the press. As they would say, stop what you're doing. Come a little bit closer. We have 2 strands and 2 different types of garnet. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, not only guys, ladies and gentlemen, but you guys know when I say guys, I mean ladies and gentlemen. You will not believe this. Stop the press. Oops, I think I just got out of focus there. Can you see this? Let's see. Alright, let's just turn this volume down a bit. I just want to make sure everyone is tuned in. Can anyone guess what this is? If you're still watching, let me know what do you think this is. And if you have guessed genuine garnet, you are correct. Here you have the larger 6mm garnet. These are all natural from, I think they're from Mozambique and Brazil. This one's from Mozambique, this one is from Brazil. They're all natural garnet. Not dyed, not treated in any way. These are just round and polished smooth balls. And then here we've got the faceted, the micro faceting, and this one, you should see the sparkle in this. This is going to make something special for someone. This is like amazing. Guys, this is the first time I'm going to be using, or Cemine Bespoke Designs, we're going to be using all natural garnets. So I know we're a couple months behind schedule. Yes, we are. I know that, yeah, January was like 2 months ago, and for those, but hey, your birthday is going to be January forever for the rest of your life, right? So who cares when you get your present? If you want to give someone who's born in the month of January something special, consider getting them something made with this garnet. I'm going to be doing something really special with this, so stay tuned for that. Okay, our last item that we have to unbox. Oh, I'm so excited about the garnet. I'm so excited. Okay, excuse me. The last item that we want to unbox here. Let's see the quality of this. I know what it is. Can you tell me what it is? Now this is for, well, one of these is for someone special, a customer again. And yeah, the quality is good. We're excited about the color. Can you tell me what that is? Can you see it? I don't know if you can see through, if you're getting the color coming up. These are actually 2 amethyst points. Yeah, so we're just gonna make this into a lovely necklace for a special someone. And yeah, so that's it. That's what we received today. We're excited about our unboxing. Guys, I want you to let me know, did you enjoy this unboxing? Let me know in the comments. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, if you enjoy unboxing, if you want to see more of it. I also had a question. Yesterday we posted this beautiful copper ring that we made, and we had a couple questions. What was the material? It's definitely copper, and it's, of course, as usual with everything that we have here, it's handmade, so it's just very whimsical, very not perfect at all. Here's the back of it. I know someone was asking me today if they wanted to see the back of the ring. Well, here's the back. It's all pound. I hammered it to texturize it. I'm not sure. Let's see, what size is this ring? Let's see if we can figure out the size here. Of course, we can make you one in your size. This right now is saying it's a size 9. So this is about a size 9. Of course, we can make it a little bit bigger. We can make one smaller for you. So yeah, you just let me know what it is that you want. And guys, I think that's it. I want to come in with another live video. Speaking of copper, this is raw copper, so yes, it will tarnish, but I want to give you guys a tip of how to clean your copper jewelry. Come back tomorrow or the next day, whenever we do our next live video. I'm going to give you a tip of how to clean. You know what, let's do a demonstration live showing you how to clean copper jewelry. Okay guys, I'm so excited that you joined us. Again, go ahead and leave the comments. Even when it's in replay, it doesn't matter. Leave us some comments. Let us know what you want to see, if you want to see more live videos, etc, etc, etc. Okay, guys, thank you again. We love you, and we appreciate all of your support. Bye.